FIG stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Figma stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Not that I've just seen, I've documented it all, you know, I've showed you as well. And with Figma, all I'm looking for the next week is how can I double down and buy more, right? Now, this is a very little time frame, like very small of a time frame. Yeah, I hope I see a little pull down so I can just milk it up a little bit more. But what I'm not going to do is randomly start buying, you know what I mean? Like with FIG, I also got a bunch of, I got 2 results here in the Discord, which that's phenomenal. But randomly buying, again, it's not going to cut it because this range is bullish and I quite like this. But it's not going to be me like randomly buying here, you know what I mean? So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.